A doomsday device is a hypothetical construction, usually a weapons system, which could destroy all life on a planet, particularly Earth, or destroy the planet itself, bringing doomsday, a term used for the end of planet Earth. Most hypothetical constructions rely on the fact that hydrogen bombs can be made arbitrarily large, assuming there are no concerns about delivering them to a target. See Ulam design. Or that they can be altered with materials designed to create long-lasting and hazardous fallout, e.g., a cobalt bomb. Doomsday devices and the nuclear holocaust they bring about have been present in literature and art, especially in the 20th century, when advances in science and technology made world destruction, or at least the eradication of all human life, a credible scenario. Many classics in the genre of science fiction take up the theme in this respect. The term "doomsday machine" itself is attested from 1960, but the alliteration "doomsday device" has since become more popular. History. Since the 1954 Castle Bravo thermonuclear weapon test demonstrated the feasibility of making arbitrarily large nuclear devices which could cover vast areas with radioactive fallout by rendering anything around them intensely radioactive. Nuclear weapons theorists such as Leo Szilard conceived of a doomsday machine, a massive thermonuclear device surrounded by hundreds of tons of cobalt which, when detonated, would create massive amounts of cobalt-60, rendering most of the Earth too radioactive to support life. RAND strategist Herman Kahn postulated that Soviet or U.S. nuclear decision-makers might choose to build a doomsday machine that would consist of a computer linked to a stockpile of hydrogen bombs, programmed to detonate them all and bathe the planet in nuclear fallout at the signal of an impending nuclear attack from another nation. The doomsday device's theoretical ability to deter nuclear attack is that it would go off automatically without human aid and despite human intervention. Kahn conceded that some planners might see doomsday machines as providing a highly credible threat that would dissuade attackers and avoid the dangerous game of brinkmanship caused by the massive retaliation concept which governed U.S.-Soviet nuclear relations in the mid-1950s. However, in his discussion of doomsday machines, Kahn raises the problem of a nuclear-armed nth country triggering a doomsday machine, and states that he didn't advocate that the U.S. acquire a doomsday machine. The dead hand, or perimeter, system built by the Soviet Union during the Cold War has been called a doomsday machine due to its failed deadly design and nuclear capabilities. In fiction, doomsday devices started becoming more common in science fiction in the 1940s and 1950s, due to the invention of nuclear weapons and the constant fear of total destruction. A well-known example is in the film Drive, Strangelove, 1964, where the dead hand is triggered by a mistaken American attack, and all life on Earth is extinguished. However, doomsday devices also expanded to encompass many other types of fictional technology, one of the most famous of which is the Death Star, a moon-sized planet-destroying space station. Various types of fictional doomsday devices have also been activated as part of an AI takeover. This includes the missile launch system in the movie War Games, 1983, control of which has been handed entirely to a computer, and Skynet's nigh destruction of the human race in The Terminator, 1984. See also conflict escalation, fail deadly, global catastrophic risks, mutual assured destruction, weapon of mass destruction, the return of the doomsday machine. Quote, Ron Rosenbaum, Slate.com, August 31, 2007. Doomsday device featured in the Bionic Woman episode Doomsday is Tomorrow. Channel 7 2. Australia. Secrets of War. Series 1. Episode 19.